Lockheed Martin C-5M Super Galaxy is an upgraded version of the older C-5A, C-5B and C-5C military transport aircraft. A total of 131 C-5 series aircraft were delivered until 1989. These transport aircraft suffered from serious reliability problems that resulted in low mission capable rates. Availability was rarely above 50%. Furthermore, with the retirement of the Lockheed C-141 Starlifter, the U.S. Air Force, USAF, faced the shortfall in airlift capacity. Major upgrades were required to keep the C-5 fleet operational. The first aircraft was upgraded to the C-5M standard in 2006 and its test flights began during the same year. A modernization order for 52 C-5 aircraft was issued and low-rate production commenced in 2009. The Super Galaxy reached initial operating capability in 2014 with 16 aircraft delivered. By 2015 a total of 30 aircraft were upgraded. Deliveries were scheduled to be completed in 2018. It was planned that by 2017 to 2018 the U.S. Air Force will reduce its C-5 fleet to 52 Super Galaxy aircraft, while non-upgraded C-5S, C-5BS and C-5CS will be retired. Upgrade Dari C-5M Termasuk Mesin Commercial Baru General Electric F-138 GE-100, CF-680 C-2L1F, Upgrade Avionic System Autopilot Baru, Upgrade K Landing Gear, Dan Perbaikan Lainnya, Pesawat Galaxy C-5A/B Sebelumnya Mengalami Masalah Kindalan Yang Serious Yang Mengakibatkan Tingkat Kemampuan Misi Yang Rendah, Upgrade C-5M Mengatasi Beberapa Masalah, Tingkat Kegagalan dan Jam Perawatan Dilaporkan Berkurang Lebih Dari Setengahnya, Kindalan Mesin Dilaporkan Meningkat Sepuluh Kali Lipat. Meski begitu C-5M Super Galaxy Jo lebih merepotkan dan mahal untuk dirawat daripada C-17 Globemaster 3 yang lebih kesal. Mission. The C-5M Super Galaxy is a strategic transport aircraft and is the largest aircraft in the Air Force inventory. Its primary mission is to transport cargo and personnel for the Department of Defense. The C-5M is a modernized version of the legacy C-5 designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin. Currently the U.S. Air Force owns and operates 52 C-5B/C/M. They are stationed at Dover Air Force Base, Delaware, Travis AFB, California, Lackland AFB, Texas, and Westover Air Reserve Base, Massachusetts. The C-5M Super Galaxy is equipped with 5 sets of landing gear, 28 wheels, 4 General Electric CF-680 C-2L1F, F-138, commercial engines, and a state-of-the-art maintenance diagnostics system. It can carry oversized cargo over intercontinental ranges and can take off and land on relatively short runways. Both the nose and aft doors open, allowing ground crews to simultaneously load and offload cargo from both ends, reducing cargo transfer times. The full-width drive on ramps at each end enable double rows of vehicles to be transported. The final unit of the C-5M Super Galaxy was then flown from Georgia by crews from the 439th Airlift Wing, U.S. Air Force Reserve Command based at Westover Air Reserve Base, Massachusetts to Stewart Air Force Base, New York. In that place, the aircraft will still undergo repainting on the interior. After completion, the C-5A Super Galaxy will fly again to its base in Westover. C-5M Memiliki Interior Yang Lewis, Lambung Cargo Memiliki Panjang 36, 8 meters, 5, 8 meters, Dan Lebar 4, 1 meter. Super Galaxy Memiliki Kemampuan Roll-on/Roll-off dengan akses K Cargo di kedua ujung pesawat. Itu dapat membawa 2 tank tempur utama M1A2 Abrams, 10 kendaraan penjantai lapis baja lav 25 atau 16 HMMWV. Atau dapat membawa 36 pallet 463 liter standar. Atau kombinasi kendaraan dan pallet. C-5 juga dapat membawa unit militer sayap tempur. Dek atas menampung 73 penumpang. Dek bawah dapat dikonfigurasi untuk mengangkut 270 tentara. The final unit of the C-5M Super Galaxy was then flown from Georgia by crews from the 439th Airlift Wing, U.S. Air Force Reserve Command based at Westover Air Reserve Base, Massachusetts to Stewart Air Force Base, New York. In that place, the aircraft will still undergo repainting on the interior. After completion, the C-5A Super Galaxy will fly again to its base in Westover.